Hi, I'm Mrs. Harris, and I'm going to show you how to get to your eClass page. Start out at the Ivy Creek webpage. At the top, you will see the tab Students. Click eClass. Once you click My eClass, it will take you to this screen. Here you will type in your user ID and password. Your user ID is your student number, and your password is your student number. Passwords will be changed in the near future, and more information will be coming home about that. After you log in, you will be taken to this page. Here you will find digital textbooks, additional resources, and apps, the media catalog, online research library, assessment, and My eClass course pages. Click My eClass course pages. Then you will arrive at Ivy Creek Elementary School's homepage. If you go up to the top, this icon right here is considered a waffle. If you click on the waffle, all of your classes and their teachers' eClass pages will arrive. Click 2019, your teacher's name, kindergarten core. If you click the thumbtack to the side, you can save it so it's always your first page. Then you will arrive at your teacher's eClass page. I hope you enjoyed your online learning.